Do you give gifts? I mean, really, do you give gifts out to people? And if so, why? Hi, it's Bill. This is Creative License, and thanks again for being a part of my little dog and pony show. It's been going on for quite a while. Thanks to my sponsors, Electrovoice, DJ Event Planner, Perfect Portals, Promo Only, Disc Jockey News, my workshop, The Entertainment Experience. You want to know more about it? Reach out to me. The reason I'm asking about gifts is that we all do it, right? I mean, birthday gifts, anniversary gifts, gifts to our family, to our friends. I like giving gifts. It makes people happy. But I had a DJ the other day ask me about giving gifts to colleagues. And it came out because another wedding professional had recommended him, and he got the gig because of that recommendation. So he said, what's an appropriate gift to give to these people who recommended me? Well, appropriate. Interesting, isn't it? I don't know that the word appropriate really is something we need to worry about. Why are you giving the gift was my first question. I mean, well, because that person sent me a gift. Or see, they sent me a gift, so I have to send them a gift. Well, first of all, no. That's not a reason to give a gift. I mean, it is, but it's not necessarily a good one. People don't necessarily want their gifts reciprocated. But if your want to give a gift is to say thank you to someone who said something to you or about you that made you feel better, that's a different kind of a gift, isn't it? And you have feeling for those people. It's not just quid pro quo. Quid pro quo it's a tough one to stick with, you know, because they sent you a gig. That gig, you made $3,000. All right, give them a $3,000 gift, I guess. That's not the way it really works. What number one you need to do is to be grateful and show your gratitude to that person. Now, that can be with a phone call. I appreciate a grateful telephone call for a recommendation way more than I appreciate a gift just showing up. Now, if you're going to give gifts, then think about the person you're giving it to. Think about the reason you're giving the gift and why you're, if you're being grateful, right? And then if you know the person you're giving to, then what's appropriate now becomes a little more self-evident. Choosing something for someone to show that you care about them is, well, it means finding out about that person, getting to know that person. Like the person behind me over there, he probably would love a chainsaw, right? A quieter chainsaw. I know I would. But if you know that, like, the person who's recommended you, you're giving the gift to the person, not to the company. So let's say they're into hiking, okay? And you know this about them because they talk about hiking a lot. Okay, well, how about a park pass to all the state parks? Because that's where they would like to go hiking, right? Or a book on hiking, or some new hiking paraphernalia. It's not the cost of the gift. It's the thought behind it. It's the fact that you took the time to choose something that meant something to the person that you're giving it to because you're grateful for the kind words, for the business. Really? Do you need to give a gift? No. Should you be grateful? Should you be thankful? Should you reach out to them and thank them for doing something that they really didn't have to do? That would be nice. And in the end, isn't that the goal? Not just to make more money even though that's great, but make more friends, make people feel better, do something for them that matters, show love and gratitude to our fellow man. And in the meantime, if you're doing it and it's a business expense, that's nice. But if you've never sent a gift to this person until now, maybe they won't recommend you next time because, geez, I recommended you because I liked you, because I thought we were friends. You get what I'm saying? Am I right? I don't know. Is it the way I do things? It is. What do you think? Tell me what you do. Tell me why you do it. Tell me what you think of me. I'd love to hear it. This is Bill. This is Creative License. And I'll see you next time.